Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'll be showing you how to bake these delicious double chocolate chip cookies. Start off by preheating your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Put your sugar and butter in a bowl and cream this together. And then add in the flour and cocoa powder and the chocolate chips and mix until it's crumbly. Get a bit of the mixture and shape it into a dough ball, and then place it on a baking tray. Repeat this process until you've used up all your dough. Make sure they're well spaced apart because they spread while they're baking. Bake in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes until they spread out, and then remove them from the oven and leave them on the tray for about 5 minutes, and then use a spatula to remove them and put them on a cooling rack to cool completely. I'm going to show you what they look like inside. I'll just break one. It's soft and chewy and it tastes great, and that's it. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbrownbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.